Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn one of the most powerful function of Excel, that is index match. Till now we all have been using the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP functions which have got their own limitations. For example, VLOOKUP formula cannot fetch data from columns to the left side of such column. Lookup formulas make your worksheet slower. Lookup formulas are dynamic for only one dimension, either row or column. So index match will help you to overcome all these limitations and work more efficiently and faster. Let us go there. So on the left side of your screen, you can see there is a table with the names of 8 cities and there are 3 columns: sales, expenses and profit. So for example, let us try to find out the profit for Chennai. With the traditional VLOOKUP formula, we can write like this: VLOOKUP, lookup value, that is our Chennai, then the table array, that will be your entire table, then we'll go to the column index number. Since profit is on the 4th column, we'll type here 4 and it is an exact match, so 0, enter. So you can see for Chennai and profit, the value is 63885. It is correct. So VLOOKUP is returning correct value. In this case, what if we change from Chennai to Kolkata? The value is changing to 123279. As you can see it here, yes, it is changing. But if we change the second dimension, that is from profit we want to make it to expenses, the value does not change. Why? Because this number 4 inside the formula, it is static, it is freezed, it cannot change by itself. So we will have to use the index and match function together. Let us first start with the index. So what does index function do? It will basically try to get to a value based on the row number and column number. So it's a very simple formula. It goes like this: equals to index, your array, this is your entire array, that is your table. Then it will ask for your row number, provide the row number, like Kolkata is in your 5th row, we'll type here 5. And for expenses, if you see, it is the 3rd column, so put 3 here. Yes, the value is coming to 825021. If you see, for Kolkata and expenses, the intersection point is 825021. So it is working. But what we have done here, we have made both these data, both these dimensions static. It cannot change by itself. So we have to put something extra in there by which it can change by itself based on these two data. And we can do it through the match function. So basically we will be using two match functions. The first for row and one more for column. Let us write the formula for match function of row. So we want the system to find the row number automatically based on this data, and we also want the system to find the column number based on this data. So let us write it: equals to match. What it will match? It will try to look up for Kolkata, that is your lookup value, comma, it will ask for your lookup array, and my lookup array is the city names. Then we will have to give an exact match. Okay, and you can see here it is showing the value as 5, and that is absolutely correct. So for the sake of convenience, let us just copy without the equals to sign and paste it here. Similarly, we'll do this for column as well. Equals to match. It will try to match expenses from the first row and try to give us the column number. You can see here it is 3 here. We'll do the same for this also, and we'll do the same for index also. Just copy without the equals to sign and paste it here. Okay, so now the challenge is how to insert these two match functions within the index function. Here you can see the 5 is static. It is a constant. We have to change it with some variable data, and this is our variable data. So as it seems, it is very simple. We simply have to copy this entire thing. You can even copy it from the formula without the equals to sign, of course. Go to this function. Instead of 5, just select the 5, or you can delete it and paste it. Press enter. Same way, you can go to this column function, copy this entire thing, go to index function. The row number is 3, the column number is 3 here. Just overwrite it or paste it and press enter. So you can see the value is now 825021. Let me just delete this above figure so that it doesn't cause confusion. So if you see here for Kolkata and expenses, the value is 825021. Let us check Kolkata and expenses. Yes, the intersection point is 825021. Let us change these two variables and see whether this data is changing automatically or not. So let us change it to Pune, and for expenses let us change it to profit. So let us check whether this value is matching or not. If we go to Pune, that is the row, and profit, that is the column, yes, the intersection point is 113616. So it's working absolutely fine. And as you see, you have learned how to master the dynamic use of both the rows and functions in a single formula. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So be sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. We'll see you very soon next time. Thank you very much.